Hello guys, last video we learned how to find LCD, which is the least common denominator, because fraction was given and we found the least common denominator. Now this video we're gonna find least common multiple, which is LCM. Now if they say find the LCM of 8 and 10, remember last time we were given as a fraction, this time we are given as a number, so it's like multiple numbers are given, right? So we're going to find the LCM, least common multiple. So how do you find that? It's almost the same technique we use to find the LCD. So I'm going to show you two ways actually on this one. Okay. So number one, I'm going to show you this traditional way many textbook shows you. Okay. And this is 8. You break it down as a prime factors 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. This is prime factor, so you cannot break down any further. Any number greater than 1 and can be break down anymore is called prime numbers. Then we have 10 here. So we break down 8, now we're going to break down 10. So 10 is equal to, so 10 is a composite number. Now we're going to break it down. So 10 is 2 times 5. So you know what? I'm going to slightly put under the 2 here, times 5. I don't want to put down 5 because it's not going to match. It must match. So I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to find my LCM is equal to, make sure, bring down this one, bring down this one, only 1, 2, and bring down this one. Remember, we don't count this twice. We're going to count it only one time, okay? So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And we are going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40. So our LCM is 40. That is one way of finding the LCM, okay? So I promise I'm going to show you a different way. So I don't know how many of you will look into that, follow that, but it's also very nice way, less work. So I'm going to put my 8 here, 8 comma 10, and I'm going to have like a it's not a division line, but it slightly look like that. Now I'm going to divide by, since both of them are even number, what is the smallest even number can go in between? So I'm going to go with the 2 because 10 doesn't divisible by 4. So I'm going to go with 2. So 2 goes to 8. In other words, 8 divisible by 2, which is 4, comma, 2 goes to 10 5 times, or 5 divided by 2 is, sorry, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Excuse me. So then look, there is no other number between 5 and 4 except 1 that is common. So we are done. So what do you do? LCM equal to 2 times 4 times 5. Look, it's 2 times 4 is 8, times 5 is 40, and less work. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Check it out. Look, both of us, the same thing. This is the LCM and it works always. And to finding the least common denominator, you can try this one also. I'm going to create another video that will show that also. Okay, now let's go with the 3 of them. If we have 3 of them, right? So let's take a look on this one. How do you do this? Same technique I'm going to show you here. Okay, same thing. So I'm going to have 5 here, which is equal to 5. I can multiply by 1, but I'm going to leave it like that. 10 is a composite number. I'm going to break it down as a prime as a 2 times 5, and notice that I put 5 under 5 and 2 a little bit away. Then I'm going to 12. I'm going to break it down 12. 12 is a composite. Now I'm going to break down to prime numbers. So if I do so, 12 is an even number divisible by 2. So I'm going to put down 2 times what? 2 times, I can say 2 times 2 times and so on. I can break it down. For example, is 2 times 6. Let's put down 2 times 6 basically. Okay, so if I do so, or I can say 2 times 2 times 3. That's what I meant actually earlier. But we don't necessarily need this because we don't have any other line that has a 2 place up there to the right or to the top. We don't have any 2 here. We don't have any 3 up there. So this is not useful. So we're going to erase that. Okay. Now next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just draw a line and find my LCM, which is equal to bring down 5 times bring down 2 times bring down 6, and my LCM is going to be 5 times 2 is 10 times 6 is 60. Okay, LCM is 60. Now I'm going to show you a slightly different way on the other side. Look how it flares up down there, right? So I have 5, I have 10, I have 12. Look, I used to like this when I was younger actually, okay? I used to like that one to the right side. But I know many ways, but this video I'm going to show only 2 ways, okay? So what is common between them here? Is there anything common I can come up with here? So well, I can come up with basically 2. Okay, since 2 doesn't go to 5, I just bring down 5. Okay, I just bring down 5. 2 goes to 10 5 times also. 2 goes to 6 times. Okay, then I gotta do one more because still there is a common. So what is common? 5. So 5 goes to 1 time, 5 goes to 1 time, and 6 doesn't go. That's it, done. So there is no other common number here, right? So that's all done. LCM is equal to 2 times 5 times 6, which is 60. Technically both of them are same. It's giving you, well, it's gotta give you the same answers, but you know, some student like that one to the right side, some student like that one to the left side. So it's really your call. So I hope you understand how to find the LCM fully. Okay, so if you have any question, comment, concern, you know, you just comment it after watching the video. Thank you so much.